this is Ginger Joyner with VIP Travel. So we just checked in at Calabash Cove Resort in St. Lucia. So I want to give you guys a little peek of what our room looks like. So let's take a look. So it's a very large, spacious room with a tub, gorgeous flowers, double sinks, lotion and soap, stand-up shower, then look at our large bed, lovely decor, we have TV, then we have a little mini bar right here, and then our refrigerator also has a mini bar, fully stocked.
Okay.
Thank you so much. And then we have coffee, some more drawer space, a bug zapper and some masks, hand sanitizer. Nice little sitting area with some towels. And check out this amazing balcony that we have and an amazing view. So we're up a little bit higher on the hill. There's the pool right over here, swim up pool bar right here. The restaurant's a little bit higher over here. And then the beach is right down below. So we are so excited to check out this property. Let me know if you have any questions or would like more information.